Aloha!
Shaka!
Woo! We have our special Aloha week coming up October 27th through the 30th. It's going to be amazing.
You know, these are my favorite weeks of the year where we just get to meet a bunch of people, give healthcare away for free, listen to what people would like to be different in their life, what they would like to be better, and come alongside them, see what's going on, what could be happening, and what could be interfering with their ability to recognize and experience what they said they want.
Yeah, so what we're going to be doing at the Aloha Week, if you're a new guest with us, when you come in, you're going to get a consultation to kind of take a look at what your areas of pain are, or symptoms, or your goals for your health. And then you'll be doing 15 minutes of treatment with our therapy team, so hands-on body work, and kind of work on those areas of pain, release some tension. And then you'll be doing a gentle chiropractic adjustment.
Yeah, I'll be checking you out a little bit, getting to know you a little bit, and giving you a little bit of gentle care.
Yeah. As well as an integrative assessment to take
Yes.
a look at the areas of your body that where the causes might be to those symptoms that you're
Yeah, is
experiencing.
it predominantly a structural problem, or maybe a physiological biochemical problem, or is the emotional stress gotten to you, electrical systems, things like that. We have tools that can help determine what's going on, what's interfering with your body's ability to heal itself.
And then also with different things going around, we're kind of coming into the holidays, so there's a tendency, sometimes people get sick at this time of year, but we are going to be doing adjustments which actually the research shows improve immunity,
Yes.
right?
Yes, and we are not doing this for Halloween. We're doing this because of, we are COVID safe. Everything is cleaned and sanitized, and we take all that very seriously. So just wanted to let you know that as you come in, if you could please wear a mask, we'd like you to do that. And we're sensitive to that.
Yeah, we're following all the procedures to keep it a COVID clean zone. And we also have a bunch of really fun specials that will be going on. We're going to be doing a raffle. We're going to be doing a discount on our detox. A lot of you have been seeing our detox and maybe thinking you might want to do it. So this is a really good chance to hop on
Let
and
go
do
of some
it.
extra pounds, clean out, get more energy, more vital. It's good.
Yeah, so join us October 27th through the 30th. Invite your friends and family to come and get some really good feel-good care, relieve some stress, and just treat yourself.
How do they do that?
So you would go onto our website. You can sign up on our website. You can also go onto any of our social media platforms, and there's a link to sign up there. You can call us also at 949-497-2553 and schedule your appointment there. So it's going to be lots of fun. We're looking forward to it. We hope you'll join us.
All right, see you there.